What's going on, everyone? I've been excited about this one. It is a StarCraft clone. As I said, I don't use ChatGPT like most people for the prompts. I just use DeepSeek, so this is what it gave me. I changed the name a little bit in the characters because, eh, but, so this was it. This is the prompt. Long prompt, but, and after 3 iterations, this is the game. This is it. After 3 prompts, this is it. So we got all 3 races from the original StarCraft. I changed the names a bit. Protoss, the ancient ones. Zerg for the Great Connection. Humans for the humans. Today we're going to be doing a large map. We'll just do Bloom, which is fine. I'm going to be the ancient ones. We'll do random. We'll face random and veteran. Alright. So this is it. I think it looks pretty nice, you know. Everything, all the same buildings that you would see in the game. They all work. Not enough minerals, yeah. Okay. Um, yeah, I'm not even paying attention. It's 50. Okay. It shows a queue when you queue things up. These guys are pretty cool because they don't need to build. They just plop these down for power, and that's for to be able to make more guys, like more troops, or and all that. But yeah, so this is it. Everything works nice. I'll just build a couple things and I'll show you guys kinda the battles and everything else, what this game did after 3 generations. I think it came out really nice, really good. I get a couple of these guys. Actually, to make it quicker, here. I got I added a debug with P, so I'll show you, so I could show you guys. Free instant build. What do we got? Minerals. Alright, just so it's not a long, we'll just play it real quick. Okay, so I'll show you guys all the buildings. These even work. The Protoss, they used, the cannons, those are the cannons. They work pretty good, actually. They're pretty fun to use when you get bait guys into it and it destroys them. Let's see. I'm gonna bring these guys. I'll make 2 of each. Okay. What else? We built the logic core. Was that what it was? Yeah, I think. Yeah, okay. We did the logic core. Let's build. I'm just gonna build all the buildings to show you guys that this is pretty much the same as StarCraft. I mean, obviously not as polished and nice looking, but pretty much the same thing. You can have full matches. It's actually a really enjoyable game. It's fun. I played full matches and you can win, you can lose. It's really, really enjoyable. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'll just get 2 of each. Just to show everybody. Alright. Upgrades. Let's see. Upgrade. What else we got? These are upgrades also. Okay. Where's our builder? I thought that was the okay, no. That's the builder. Okay, what else do we need to build? I think we got everything, right? Oh, not these 2. What do we need? A watch spire. And a star tribunal. If I could click it, there we go. I guess that some of them look a little bit similar, but still. I think it looks pretty good. It plays good. It's a fun game. You know, you get a couple people together and actually enjoy it. Like, it's that good. Say the guys come up, they attack. I'll show you guys in a minute. Where are the guys? I think it's because in StarCraft these. Oh, it's the Mystics. Okay, I gotta get 2 Mystics. There's they have the blue guy. They turn to the blue circle and the red one. These guys they only here watch merge avatars, and they turn into I don't remember what it was called in the game, but yeah, you can make those, combine those on the humans. You can oh maybe the red is here. I just didn't see it. Let's see. Oh, okay. It's purple. That's cool. I didn't see that before. I wonder if they have in StarCraft. Yeah, I don't see it. If you switch into one of them, they were able to take over another enemy's things. But okay, all right. So I'll just build a couple more guys, and we'll finish them off, and I'll show you guys the battles and all that. Just make it a quick video, nothing too long. I'm just gonna get a bunch of them. That's all. Let's see. Where's the other building? Right here, right? No, that's just upgrades. Um, more upgrades. More upgrades. Alright, this should be enough. We're gonna take... yeah, you can see the FPS a little bit is a little bit lagging right there, but that's fine. For what it is, it's a fun game. It's enjoyable. And I like fighting the Protoss because, well, not the Protoss, the ancient ones. You can take these out and they lose power and none of their buildings work or anything like that, so we'll send those guys and we will build a couple more and then we'll send them to the other and we'll just finish this off pretty quick. I just wanted to show you guys the basics of what you can really do with a couple generations, you know. I think it came out really good. It plays nice, plays smooth. Um, yeah, see, yeah, I think that's pretty cool. I wish you were able to take over the other enemies, their mines. I think the red one in StarCraft was the one that you were able to, I think. But I'm not 100%. Alright, so we'll send these guys here. Let's see how these guys are doing. Yeah, see, they just... There we go. It doesn't show that, they were defeated, but after everyone's defeated, then it'll show, that you won. I'll show you real quick. I don't know what these guys are trying to do. Alright, we're just gonna go here and attack. We're just gonna take out their things. What do we got? That sucks. Only ancient ones. I wanted to show you guys humans and the other ones maybe. I'll show you a quick... Actually, I'll open up a save file after this so I can show you guys. I'll just finish them off real quick. Yeah, see, like, all the weapons work. Enemies fight correctly. AI works pretty good. It's a pretty good game. Like I said, for 3 generations, I really enjoy it. You can play it with your friends, and you know, it's not as good as StarCraft, but it's fun enough if you can't play StarCraft. Wish.com StarCraft, I guess, right? Teemu StarCraft, but it'll get you through. You know, it's enjoyable, it's fun. You could probably upgrade this a bit more. Maybe get some sprites, add some sprites to it. I'm sure it'll be really, really nice at that point. Alright, so we just gotta... Oh, come on. I might just fast forward through a lot of this to get it quicker, so I can show you guys. And it also has pan over, so you don't have to use the arrows, but when I go down, it doesn't work for me, so... Alright. We almost finished them off. We'll take this out and watch. It'll show you that these buildings aren't working, see? No power. Oh, attack. They're not all attacking? Why not? We'll all attack that. There we go, see? That works. Maybe because I was pointing at something else because there's too many guys in the way? I don't know. But, so yeah. That was it. So now I'm going to show you guys. These are the humans. They look pretty cool, pretty decent. I think I got attacked right before this, that's why. There's like no buildings here. But yeah, these are the humans. And I will show you, actually we'll just have a fight with them real quick. I'll show you how they attack. Real quick. And these are the Zerg, or the ancient ones, or not the ancient ones, the connection, whatever. So they look pretty cool. They work like the Zerg. You can make these guys into whatever, as long as you have them unlocked and upgraded. So, where's the rest of the guys? These, I think, if you take them, I think they give you extra gas and stuff. Extra gas and all that. That's like a special thing that they added in. So yeah, this was the Zerg, or the whatever connection. But yeah, so this is it. This was 3 generations. I think it came out pretty good. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Tomorrow I got another good video coming. I'm really excited about tomorrow's also. And I just got my next week's for Fable 5 before the 19th, so I could make a couple more games or whatever. And if you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments. If you guys have any good or bad to let me know in the comments, so I can make this better. You know, I just started, so I don't really know too much, but alright, so that was it, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Take it easy.